Top 5 beautiful classics from the 50s that are now dirt cheap. Number 5. 1952 Ford Crestline. The 1952 Ford Crestline embodies the quintessential elegance of the 1950s, boasting an abundance of chrome accents and refined features that make it a standout among classic cars. As the top-tier trim in Ford's early lineup, the Crestline surpasses its more modest mainline counterpart, yet remains surprisingly affordable. Under the hood, the Crestline's 239 cubic in V8 engine produces 110 horsepower and 194 pounds-foot of torque, paired with a smooth 3-speed manual transmission. While not exceptionally powerful, this configuration provides effortless driving and a delightful experience behind the wheel. Higher trim levels showcase exquisite hood ornaments, adding an extra touch of sophistication to this already stunning vehicle. With its perfect blend of style, charm, and accessibility, the 1952 Ford Crestline is an irresistible choice for classic car enthusiasts. Number 4. 1955 Chrysler Windsor. The 1950s were synonymous with big, bold cars, and the Chrysler Windsor embodied this ethos with its stately lines, imposing presence, and generous proportions. As Chrysler's mid-range offering, the Windsor provided buyers with an attractive value proposition, blending upscale flair with affordability. In contrast to its Ford and GM counterparts, Chrysler's lineup was renowned for its premium quality, and the Windsor was no exception. Under the hood, a potent 300 cubic in V8 engine delivered impressive performance, producing 188 horsepower and 275 pounds-foot of torque. Number 3. 1956 Hudson Hornet. The 1956 Hudson Hornet boasts a sleek, low-slung profile that exudes a sporty charm unmatched by its contemporaries. Its innovative step-down design provides a lower center of gravity, making it an exceptional performer on the track. The Hornet's distinctive hood styling is a striking feature that sets it apart, paying homage to its dominance in stock car racing during the early 1950s. This success can be attributed to its impressive torque figures and low center of gravity. Under the hood, many 1956 Hornet models were equipped with the robust Super 6 engine, featuring an inline-6 layout that displaces 308 cubic inches. This powerhouse produces 175 horsepower and 278 pounds-foot of torque, delivering ample excitement for drivers. Number 2. 1952 Plymouth Special Deluxe. The 1952 Plymouth Special Deluxe embodies the quintessential style of the 1950s, with its bold two-tone paint scheme, making a striking statement. As a post-war Plymouth model, this car boasts widespread availability of parts, rendering it an affordable and accessible choice for classic car enthusiasts. For those seeking a budget-friendly classic project car, the Special Deluxe is an excellent option. Its 218 cubic in 6-cylinder engine may not deliver exceptional power, producing 97 horsepower and 175 pounds-foot of torque, but the car's stylish design, solid build quality, and ease of restoration make it an attractive choice. Number 1. 1954 Buick Special. Classic Buicks are renowned for their timeless style, elegance, and undeniable charm. The sweeping side trim on these vintage models creates a sense of grandeur, exuding a luxurious presence that's unmistakable. During this era, Buick focused heavily on incorporating premium features, resulting in some of the most refined and sophisticated cars of the time. This emphasis on luxury has contributed to a plentiful supply of 1950s-era Buicks, making them remarkably affordable for collectors and enthusiasts. Under the hood, Series 40 models were powered by a 264 cubic in 8-cylinder engine, delivering 143 horsepower and 228 pounds-foot of torque. In contrast, Series 60 models boasted larger 322 cubic in engines, producing 195 horsepower and 302 pounds-foot of torque for added performance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe